Not a whisper of hope, not wishful thinking, but faith, unshaken, undoubting. The kind of faith that doesn't just stand before mountains. It speaks, and they move. We've seen the evidence of power in a single spoken word. Dead things fall and life awakens at the sound of what we've heard. But now I'm standing at a mountain that won't move easily, and everything inside me says this is how it always be. But your voice is right.